How to make friends on Bumble BFF. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make friends on Bumble BFF. To get started, let's open Bumble app. This is your home page. Here in the top left corner, you can see 3 bars. Click on it. As you click it, you can see the option Date and BFF. As we are here to make friends, not to date, so let's click on BFF. Now come to your home page. Here you can see many profile where you can make many friends. So in this way you can make friends on Bumble BFF. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.